Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. What's up, world? My name is Rim, and this is the World is Going to Shit update. Total number of cases in the world, we're up to 950,000, with 48,000 of those being fatalities. 200,000 of those have survived. That's good news. China's Shenzhen bans dog meat and cat meat. It's about time. Australia, 1 million families are gonna receive free childcare. The Filipino president said anybody who's violating the lockdown might get shot. You do you, Duterte, you do you. The US numbers still look like 100,000 to 240,000 projected deaths. Oh boy. Same thing with UK, they reported 500 deaths. Same thing in Iran, death toll exceeds 3,000. And our friends in Spain just reached 10,000 deaths. 10,000 deaths. I don't know if you remember, about a year or so back, there was a certain man that was criticized in the news for getting a little tug job in the back of an Asian massage parlor. Well, there is at least a little bit of good news. Robert Kraft, the owner of the New England Patriots, is gonna use the Patriots plane to go to China to pick up some N95 masks. How about that? You guys want to drag him through the mud for getting a little tug job in the back of an Asian massage parlor, but guess who's coming through to save lives? Robert Kraft, that's who. So in conclusion, the world is still going to shit. See you tomorrow.
Guess what, bitch? Corona